How to remove fingerprint on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can remove our fingerprint from an Android device. So if you're also looking on a video to find out how we can remove our fingerprint on Android device, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. So first thing first, you can head over and open up your Android device, and in order to remove that, you just need to basically head over to the main settings of that particular device. Although the settings may vary from phone to phone, you're just going to look up for the option called biometrics and security, or you can go to the lock screen option as well. After that, after you have reached the biometrics and security, you will be finding your biometrics settings here. Like if you have provided your face recognition as your password or your fingerprints, you'll be finding right here. So look for the fingerprints option as we are removing our fingerprint. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you have to provide the security of your phone and you will be finding this option. So in order to remove it, you can just go ahead and long press on that particular fingerprint and you'll be finding a remove option at the bottom of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it, confirm it, and then that fingerprint will be removed from that particular Android device. So that is it. That's how you remove fingerprint on Android, which is super easy and straightforward process. You can also follow up the same process in order to remove your fingerprint on your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and thank you.